Solid Edge supports the process of designing your parts for 3D printing with many built-in tools such as Generative Design and a dedicated 3D print dashboard. Generative Design in Solid Edge allows you to optimize weight and create lighter weight components with respect to design goals and constraints. We will start with the model created with the simple base features. In order to do a generative design study, the model has to be assigned a material. Solid Edge allows you to assign all types of material, including metal, non-metal, as well as standard or commonly used materials. After assigning material, we will create a new study by clicking on the Create Generative Study command. On the right side of the screen are different docking windows. Hover over to Generative Design icon and the screen will automatically pull out. You can dock the window by clicking on Auto Hide. First, define a design space to run the generative study on. In this case, we select the model and preserve the region around the hole. You can use the Preserve region to preserve any face or area around significant model features such as holes. In this scenario, imagine the bottom of the model is fixed and there is a force pushing on the right side. Apply a force on the right side of the model and fix constraint on the bottom end. Selecting the Generative button allows for modifying different options for the study, such as the percentage of weight that you may need reduced. Once the study is generated, you can see your new optimized model. Solid Edge also offers a dedicated 3D print tab that can aid in preparing, validating, and exporting your model. You can use commands such as physical thread, delete void, and even reorient your model in preparation of 3D printing. Wall thickness and overhang aids you in validating that your model has the right amount of thickness and overhang for 3D print process. In this case, let's test out the overhang on this model. Choosing a maximum overhang angle, we can run the overhang analysis to see where the model needs support material to be 3D printed. The analysis returns the highlighted color display of all faces that are more than the maximum overhang angle in red. All faces that are less than the maximum angle are displayed in green. In order not to have any support material, we can reorient the model to be flat on the 3D printer bed. We can use the reorient command to do this quickly and easily. Exporting allows for a quick STL export of your model. STL is the file type needed for 3D printing. Solid Edge also offers a unique 3D dashboard that allows exporting your model, configuring a 3D printer size to see how or if your model fits, and configure options such as conversion tolerance. In this video, you learned about Generative Design, 3D Print tab, and 3D Print dashboard available in Solid Edge.